in our live session we had earlier, and they kept on mentioning this unknown metal called antimony. I wanted to follow up on that and see exactly what that was.
Hello everyone, in this video I would like to tell you about such an unusual element as antimony. This element belongs to group 15 and to the so-called semi-metal series in the periodic table of chemical elements. From a chemical point of view, antimony is rather a metal. It means that it easily oxidizes, or in other words, it gives its electrons and it even looks like a metal. Metallic antimony is silvery and can easily be confused with bismuth. However, in contrast to other metals that are good heat and electricity conductors, antimony does not
Can y'all understand? I can't really understand it, man. It's an interesting video, but I can't get into that one because I can't really understand what he is saying. Um, let's see what this one got.
Exquisite timepieces.
Exquisite timepieces. Exquisite timepieces.
Exquisite time.
I hate them commercials.
Welcome to our video today, where we'll be exploring a unique element, antimony. Antimony
I feel like this is one of those commercials, one of them boring commercials at nighttime where you just half sleep and you just open your eyes a little bit. You still asleep, you can't move, but you conscious and you just hear TV going all night.
is a versatile semi-metal known for its unique properties. It exists in two forms: a bright silver-white metallic form that is hard and brittle, and a gray powder non-metallic form.
That always looking like silver. Hold on, let me go back. That looking like silver or like aluminum.
A powder non-metallic form that is hard and brittle, and a gray powder non-metallic form. Antimony is also a poor conductor of heat and electricity, stable in dry air, and resistant to attacks from dilute acids and alkalis. These characteristics make antimony suitable for a wide range of industrial applications.
I wonder how much, what is this? Because if this is like, if they use antimony for all of these things and the needs for antimony is rising, if this is cheap, okay, so it's about, whoa, 28 pounds, 25, that's from around 5-6 pounds. Okay, so just back in 2022 to 23, it was around $5 to $6 per pound, and today it's going to be about $25 to $45 per pound for the antimony. So it's definitely riding a ship going upward. Man, this is interesting.
Antimony plays a vital role in enhancing the performance of lead-acid batteries by improving durability and conductivity, making them more reliable. In flame retardants, antimony helps reduce flammability in textiles, plastics, and electronics, ensuring higher safety standards. Its frictional properties are essential in the production of safety matches and military ammunition.
That might be one of the biggest signs right there. Knowing that they implement this metal into the military, that's a great sign that this compound or whatever it is, antimony, is the value of this commodity. I'm gonna call it a commodity. The value of this commodity is obviously going to be raised, right? Because unfortunately, we do have a lot of tension brewing, and it's like we walking a thin line right now between these nations, and there could be a conflict at any moment. You see, we having like many proxy wars right now already. So that's big, man. That is big.
The versatility of antimony is further exemplified by its compounds, each offering unique properties for specialized applications.
Have any of y'all ever seen antimony like bullion? Do they have antimony bullion like rounds? What? Where can you find some antimony? I've never heard of that. I've never heard of antimony. Where can you find some antimony? Or is it legal to own? Can the normal U.S. citizen own antimony?
Antimony trioxide, in its fine powder form with 99.5% purity, is a key flame retardant used across various materials to improve fire safety. Antimony sulfide, available with a purity of 60%, is an essential ingredient in fireworks, thanks to its excellent frictional properties. Indium antimony, provided in high-purity forms of 4N, 6N, is critical in the semiconductor industry, particularly for infrared detection and precise magnetic field measurements. These compounds underscore antimony's critical role in both everyday.
This is crazy, bro. All of these different things that it's being used for. Why have we never heard of antimony? Why have we never heard of antimony until now? You know, we always hear about these things when it's too late. By the time we hear about it, it's either hard to get your hands on, it's either you can't get your hands on it, or it's just always some type of stipulations, right, to make it hard for us, man. It's crazy.
And high-tech applications. Antimony may be a small element, but its impact is significant across various industries. To learn more about antimony and other cutting-edge materials, be sure to subscribe to our channel.
I will subscribe. And if y'all watching, make sure y'all subscribe to Stanford Advanced Materials as well. I'm gonna leave a like and I'm gonna subscribe. I've never heard of this metal until now. I never heard of this until now. And it's so interesting because it's so widely used. And obviously, just like any other commodity or precious metals, the usage for this thing is gonna skyrocket, man, because us going into the futuristic way of times, it's just like everything is going digital, everything is going electric. The need for gas and oil is always going to be a thing too, right? But all of these natural commodities from the earth, we have to get our hands on them. We have to get our hands on them if we want to stand a chance with the changes that's going on with the world, man. Because it does feel like we're going back to more traditional times, right? Where we were in the gold standard, where these commodities were actually used on a day-to-day for barter and trade. It actually seems that we're going back that way, man, especially with the dollar doing what it's doing and everyone trying to gain control over the silver and the U.S. Implementing billions into our own mines and refineries so we don't have to outsource them, which is, once again, a plus move by America. But it's critical. It's going to be critical we get our hands on as many of these commodities as we can and while we can, because this could be the whole difference between us retaining our wealth and losing everything. So thanks for joining, man. If you're still here, go ahead and subscribe, like, and leave a few comments and let me know what you guys think about this antimony.